Welcome back to Blender Bytes, where we showcase fundamental Blender concepts in bite-sized pieces. Creating a leather texture in Blender has never been easier thanks to the nodes that we're given access to. Start with the sphere for your object and then switch over to the shader editor. Make sure to switch your viewport to material preview mode and add a new material, naming it leather. This shader will all be driven by the Voronoi texture, which we will plug into two color ramps, one driving the color of our principal BSDF, and one driving a bump node plugged into our normal. We'll also choose a roughness of about 0.5 for this material. Adjust the scale to your liking or copy my exact settings on screen. Your bump node may need fine tuning, but I like to have mine at a decent strength to see the Voronoi surface details. And that's all you really need to create a quality leather texture in less than a minute.